Welcome to the 8th Canadian Symposium on Hepatitis C. It's great to see everybody today, and it's great to say that this is our 8th installment of this meeting that has been quite unique with a real Canadian flavor because it brings together not just basic science or clinicians, it actually brings everybody to the table, basic scientists, clinicians, community members, epidemiologists. It has really been great trying to develop this meeting over the past few years, or actually over the past 8 years. This year, we actually have 300 registrations, which is amazing. I think some people are still asleep. They're not in the room, but very soon it will be full. So this year's theme is improving diagnosis, how to reach the undiagnosed population. I would just like to start by acknowledging that the land on which we gather today is the traditional and unceded territory of the Kenyan Mohawk, a place which has long served as a site of meeting and exchange among its nations. I'd like to just present our organizing committee who has worked hard on developing this program. I don't know why this is moving by itself, but most of all, I would like to thank the meeting co-chairs, Dr. Selena Sagan from McGill and Giada Sebastiani, also from McGill, who took on this task. The way you accept to do this, actually you get volunteered to do it. So they both got volunteered to do it and they accepted right away. So thank you. And we look forward to the interesting program. The highlight at the end of the day will actually be a product that CanHepC as a network has been working on for the past year, which is, again, this is moving by itself, the blueprint to inform hepatitis C elimination strategies in Canada. It will be presented by Dr. Jordanfeld. This blueprint is meant as a guide and a menu to various stakeholders, either within the government or within public health agencies, to move towards hepatitis C elimination in Canada. Because we realize how important this is, this particular session will actually be live streamed online. If you're interested, you can go to our website or you can go to our Twitter account. You will find the link there. We wanted to make this accessible to everybody all over the country who may not be able to attend the meeting. The session is also an open session, so members of community organizations are welcome to attend without having to pay for any registration fees. Also, as part of our knowledge exchange effort over the past few years, CanHepC has partnered with Katie to do knowledge translation towards community organizations, front care workers, etc. And it's actually our students who do this. So this is part of their training. They work with Katie on trying to simplify or explain what happens, what is presented here in the symposium and its implication for patients and community organizations. So these are the dates. Sorry. This keeps moving on its own. So these are the dates. There is one webinar in English and one webinar in French. And the link will be available on the Katie website, and it will be circulated. But you can note those dates on your agenda. We also did something different this year. We're always told you should include art in the meeting. And we have a talented artist here today, Vahi Marcelian, who actually is quite passionate about hepatitis C elimination and testing. He will be exposing some of his paintings during the poster session. And please go ahead and talk to him. Also, there will be a movie that I think will be circulating during the coffee break about his paintings. So we're very happy to have him here and to support people who are doing work in order to enhance HCV screening and testing. And of course, we cannot do this without the generosity of our sponsors. As you know, this is the second year that the Hepatitis C Symposium has become part of the Canadian Liver Meeting. We are thankful, first of all, to the Canadian Association for the Study of the Liver to bring all stakeholders together, but also for the sponsors for the Canadian Liver Meeting, including the symposium, AbbVie, Gilead, and all the other sponsors. And most of all, we are thankful to our partners, especially the Canadian Liver Foundation, and I think we're missing Con here, the Canadian Association of Hepatology Nurses, for being part of this meeting and this organization. So without any further ado, I think we have a fully charged program. So I would ask the chairs of the first session to come here, and I wish you a very interesting meeting.